my YouTube friends. Today we're talking about dressing for success in your home. How does that work? Do you probably don't remember because a lot of you are much younger than I am. But the focus used to be on dressing for success, dressing for the job you want, dressing to feel better about yourself, dressing to be more productive in your job. That was very popular probably in the 80s. But it still holds true when you're in your home, if you're a homemaker or if you're a payroll homemaker, you want to always present yourself in a lovely way. Because you know what happens when you just lay around with unbrushed hair, unbrushed teeth, in your night clothes, with your slippers on, with your little blankie on the couch? Nothing happens. Nothing. You don't homemake. You just exist because you don't feel like homemaking, because you feel like you're dressed for bed. You feel like you're dressed to be sick or whatever. If you are sick, absolutely. But if you are not sick, get yourself up, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on some makeup, fix your hair, put your clothes on, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, wash your hands, put your pajamas away, go in the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, put some clothes in the washing machine, start something to drink, put your clothes in the washing machine, and go through an inch of paper. That is the morning routine, and that includes dressing. So like yesterday, I laid out this little t-shirt. I have some good jeans on. I have a cute pair of shoes on, and it makes me feel better. I cannot say that I haven't laid around in my pajamas too. I certainly have, and those are unproductive days. So I want you to know that if you want to have success in your home, it starts by getting up and getting that morning routine going and dressing for the day. You do not have to put shoes on. I usually don't wear shoes. It's cold today. I usually wear slippers, even though I have my clothes on. And then I slip out of those and put on my shoes to go outdoors. But these are very comfortable shoes, so I'm wearing the shoes today. But I don't care if you wear shoes or not. I care that you get your pants on and your shirt on and your underwear is on and you've got deodorant on and you've cleaned your body and you've cleaned your teeth and you've taken care of yourself. You are going to feel better. And in the original book, The Sidetracked Home Executives, I'll never forget the first time I read this thing. One of the girls and the sisters in The Sidetracked Home Executives wrote, when you walk by a mirror, you're going to go, who's that? It's you, because you're not used to seeing yourself dressed up and with your lipstick on and your hair fixed or whatever. It's going to make you feel like you're shining, like you are the star in this role. So today I want you to, if you haven't already, and it's in the morning when you see this, get up and do your morning routine and get your clothes on. Dress for success, so that you can do the things in your house. Because once you've done your morning routine and had breakfast, you can go right into your zone work. 15 little minutes, and you're looking so cute doing your little 15 minutes. And then right into your basic weekly plan, whether it's planning and desk day or it's errand day, you're ready. Inside the house or outside the house, you're ready. If a delivery is made to the front door, you're ready. If a neighbor comes over, you're ready. You want to be ready so that you can deliver the service to yourself for your home. Because when you're keeping your home nice, you're picking up, you're putting things in their home. I see you. I have a home for you. You pick it up and go put it in that home. And you have a clean kitchen. You are going to feel like the homemaker that you really are. You are a homemaker. This is not a pretend thing. This is a real thing. Taking care of your home, fixing meals for your family. You need to get serious about this. If you're a payroll homemaker, you need to get serious about work. Dress for success at work. You don't have to dress up like we used to with suits and heels and hose, but you certainly need to have on a nice pair of pants, a cute top, maybe a little perfume when you go to the office. Maybe not. I don't know what your rules are at your office. Or if you're working from home and you enjoy fragrance, a little perfume goes a long way. Even if you're not working from home, even if you're an at-home homemaker, put a little perfume on. Yeah, the baby threw up on your shoulder. You wash that out, but you've got a little perfume on to overcome that. Okay, so my bottom line is dress for success. Make sure that you are taking care of your clothing. You're washing the clothes on a schedule. You're going through your clothes, so you're getting rid of things that don't fit, or things that are outdated, or things that are permanently stained, or things that are itchy, or things that are out of season. And so you have a actual wardrobe that you have gone through, and you know what goes with what. And you can see if you have a hole in your wardrobe. Maybe you need to ask for Christmas for that blouse that would go with these 2 pair of pants and that pair of jeans. You know, just make sure that you are taking care of yourself. You're curating your wardrobe. Curate your life. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.